Today, we are swimming with turtles in Apo Island. Magnifique, hein? Morning! Best service ever! Good morning. Today, we are going to do the Apo Island tour with Coco Grove Resort. But to start with, let me show you another place to stay when you come to Siquijor. This is the Coco Grove Hotel. There's the beach over there. So that would be less of a place I would come as a solo traveler. But if you're a couple and you want to splurge, this is a very nice place to be. And they organize the best boat tour to Apo Island. So they have their own boats, they have their own islands when you get there. And you have a buffet lunch and everything. Well, I'll show you through the vlog anyway. But just to let you know, if you want to go to Apo Island, always go with Coco Grove Resort.
Have you got a very delicious breakfast? Yeah. Ah, that's good. That's the good thing to hear. So, welcome to Tambisan Port.
So far, so good. Great organization. We're on the boat. So, you have like two floors, yeah. You can hold up to 25 people. And they're super well organized. They provide you towels, they give you coffees and snacks. The price, what was the price? 3,000. 3,000, everything included, but I will explain more later. So far, so good. Look at this. We're getting bright. Oh, it's warm as well. Trop bon. So we have arrived at Apo Island. There. Gotta stop there with the boat, and then walk along the beach and start snorkeling here with turtle. Visibility, amazing. Oh, turtle!
That turtle is right there.
So cute! The best thing about this tour is that they have their own private beach. So now we're going to park there. And they are like actually building a property there, so that's why. So we're gonna park there, we have space for ourselves, and yes, very nice. Hippobroad approved. Morning! Morning! Best service ever! Salamat! Salamat! Morning! Look at that! Look at the service!
Morning! Good morning!
I love it! It's so cute! Is one guide for two people. It's crazy. Like yeah, we are a big group, but we are maybe 25 people, but you don't feel it at all. Even in the boat is so big that you each sit on your own level, and then the guide comes and pick you up, and then you just go, and you have like almost a personal snorkeling session, which I'm really looking forward to. You have to walk through this little town, which is very cute. Shop for souvenir later.
Yeah,
Bye! Lucky, yeah? Gotta be lucky. Yeah, they're like so nice. They let you come so close. I was even scared. I was like, no, I don't want to get so close to them. Amazing snorkel session done. Now, it's lunchtime. We're having this amazing buffet lunch there. And after that, we're gonna go back on the boat and then jump from the boat and snorkel further. But definitely get this tour. It's 100% worth it. Saying the person who doesn't like tour, but this one, top of the top. No life vest. Nothing. Gym session done. Thank you. End of an amazing tour. We started at 9. Let's see, start selling at 9. Now it's 4 p.m. So that was a full day. Next stop is a sunset spot, obviously. It's a bit cloudy, but hopefully we get something good. School bus ride. Yay. Thanks to my new friend Jan, that you absolutely have to meet. Jan, what's the name of your app?
Siquijor Best Of.
So when you come to Siquijor, download the app. Siquijor Best Of, and Jan will show you all the best spots.
How are you, sir? How about you? Very good, and you? Where is Max the Playboy?
Hello. Nakabano. It's been built here during COVID time and belong to a French person, and the staff is very happy. Hello. So definitely a place to come for sunset. Unfortunately today we have a bit of a sad sunset, but actually the cloudy one are always the best one, so let's wait and see.
Crackers au poisson. T'as vu des crackers dans la mer, toi? Pourquoi tu donnes des crackers au poisson?
Yeah, we'll do a time lapse and see how it ends up.
I get so